Hello, I'm Holly, Director of Central Youth Theatre, and I'm excited to share with you a brand new project we'll be starting from September called Level Up. Okay, but what is Level Up? Level Up is a weekly creative workshop for young people aged 13 to 25, and it will run on Thursday evenings from 6 till 8 p.m. The workshops will use creative techniques to explore ideas and teach new skills using theatre games, exercises, improvisation and spoken word. This project is right for you if you've always fancied taking part in drama, but you're not quite ready to be in a show just yet. This project is perfect for you because there's no performances involved. It's just about learning new skills. Or perhaps you'd like to be in a show at some point, but you just don't feel quite ready just yet. Maybe it's due to low confidence, or you've just got other things going on at the moment like schoolwork or exams. Or if, like me, the last 18 months has really knocked your confidence a bit and you just need a bit of help upskilling your social self. This is the project for you. Or maybe you're interested in just meeting like-minded people or even making some new friends. Are you creative and need a weekly outlet to share your ideas, your thoughts, your feelings, your ideas? Just get it all out once a week. And finally, do you just need that extra little bit of sunshine in your life every week? 2 hours of fun where you can let your hair down, not think about anything else, just have a good time. Yes? Then this is the project for you. Right, when and where? So the workshops take place at Newhampton Arts Centre on Thursdays 6 till 8 p.m, starting from Thursday the 16th of September, and they will run right through until March 2022. And what's even better, they're all free to attend. So if you want to sign up, click the link below, fill in the form, and we'll send you confirmation of your place. How easy is that? See you soon.